Breathing is essential for human life. Every cell in our body needs a constant supply of oxygen to function. The respiratory system is responsible for delivering this life-giving gas and removing waste products like carbon dioxide. This process, called gas exchange, is vital for survival. Without oxygen, cells would quickly die, leading to organ failure and ultimately death. The respiratory system ensures our bodies receive the oxygen they need and eliminates the harmful byproducts of cellular respiration. Beyond gas exchange, the respiratory system also plays a crucial role in regulating blood pH. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, can make the blood acidic. The lungs help maintain a healthy pH balance by expelling excess carbon dioxide. The act of breathing also allows us to speak and smell. Air passing over the vocal cords in the larynx produces sound, enabling communication. Simultaneously, the olfactory receptors in our nasal cavity detect odors in the inhaled air, contributing to our sense of smell. The respiratory system is a complex network of organs and tissues working together to ensure proper gas exchange. It is broadly divided into two parts: the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract acts as the first line of defense. It includes the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, and larynx. The nose, with its hairs and mucous membranes, filters, warms, and moistens the air we breathe. The pharynx, or throat, serves as a passageway for both air and food. Finally, the larynx, also known as the voice box, houses the vocal cords responsible for producing sound. The lower respiratory tract is where gas exchange occurs. It consists of the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. The trachea, or windpipe, connects the larynx to the bronchi. The bronchi are two tubes branching into the lungs, further dividing into smaller bronchioles. These bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange takes place. Breathing, also known as respiration, is the process of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It is an automatic process controlled by the brain, specifically the medulla oblongata and pons. These areas monitor the levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the blood, adjusting breathing rate and depth as needed. Inhalation, or breathing in, is an active process. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle below the lungs, contracts and flattens. Simultaneously, the intercostal muscles between the ribs contract, expanding the rib cage. This expansion increases the volume of the thoracic cavity, creating negative pressure that draws air into the lungs. Exhalation, or breathing out, is generally a passive process. The diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax, decreasing the volume of the thoracic cavity. This decrease in volume increases the pressure inside the lungs, forcing air out. During exercise or when the body needs more oxygen, breathing becomes more forceful. Accessory muscles in the neck, chest, and abdomen assist in expanding the rib cage and increasing lung volume for greater air intake. Maintaining a healthy respiratory system is crucial for overall well-being. Simple lifestyle choices can significantly impact lung health. One of the most important steps is to avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. Smoking damages the lungs, increasing the risk of lung cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other respiratory illnesses. Regular exercise is another vital factor in maintaining healthy lungs. Physical activity strengthens respiratory muscles, increases lung capacity, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Protecting yourself from respiratory infections is also essential. Wash your hands frequently, avoid close contact with sick individuals, and get vaccinated against the flu and pneumonia, especially for those with weakened immune systems or chronic respiratory conditions. By adopting these healthy habits, you can ensure your respiratory system functions optimally, providing your body with the oxygen it needs to thrive. Remember, breathing is essential for life, and taking care of your lungs is an investment in your long-term health and well-being.